So this is my 2007 GX470.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep going. Straighten out, straighten out, straighten out. Got it.
So this right here is our GX470 front hybrid bumper. It's it has the OVS Scar 10S winch. Check it out. Synthetic rope. Our winch plate right here is built out of 1/4-inch steel. Super welded up together. It's fully gusseted, and the whole bumper is welded together with the D-ring holes right here. This is 1/4-inch winch plate, 1/2-inch shackles. The bumper also comes with light mounts under here. You can put up to 3. People typically put a Squadron, S2, and an S1 in this slotted area, or you can just pick whatever you want, but that's typically the setup people typically go for. But this is it right here, our hybrid front bumper for the GX platform. Well, GX470 platform. We also offer this plate right here that you can color whatever, basically change it to whatever color you want, or not even put one on and just leave it blank. The bumper itself weighs about 116 pounds. Plus the winch weighs an additional 60 pounds, so you're about like 180 around there. For the total weight of this bumper with the winch. And these are our rock sliders right here for the GX470. These are with our 1/4 plate option. ROF right there. These are 100% bolt-on. This is the poke. They stick out enough for you to utilize them as a step. They also come with standard rock lights. They come with standard rock light brackets. I'm using them as welcome lights right now, as you'll see. There it is. So I have it set up to where when I open the door, this GX has come with this setup already from factory. I just basically acquired rock lights from Harbor Freight, and I just wired them up to the stock harness for the welcome lights on this platform. If your platform comes with welcome lights, then I'm sure you'll be able to wire those lights up to the welcome lights, or you could also just have a separate switch if you want to utilize them as rock lights. That would be ideal. Our rear tube bumper for the GX. We also offer this tube bumper for the 5th gen 4Runners. These also come with rock light bracket gussets in the rear. You can also do the same thing where you can I recommend the back ones, they stay as rock lights, that way you're not overloading the harness for the welcome lights. But just wire those up to a separate switch, or if you have a set of rock lights, which are where the rock sliders are back here in the front, you could just wire all of those up to one switch, and then you could just have them on and off all together. This is our tire carrier for the GX. We also offer this tire carrier for the 5th gen 4Runner, and now for the 4th gen 4Runner as well. The bumper and the tire carrier are not one product. They're two individual products. They're not linked together, but they are compatible with one another. Our thought process behind that was, if you do smack the rear tube bumper hard enough, we don't want you to damage the tire carrier as well if it were to bend for any reason, so on and so forth. That's why they're not built together. But this is pretty much it right here. This is the Overlander Bundle. All of our products right here, the bumper, the front bumper, the rock sliders, the rear tube bumper, and the tire carrier, they are on the Overlander Bundle. You will get a discounted price for purchasing all of it all at once. We do also offer an Essentials Bundle, where it's the rock sliders. You get the rock sliders, and the tire carrier. Pretty much it. Just for curiosity, I am rocking the OVS Everest 2 rooftop tent. It's a good tent, a little heavy, but it's a good tent. I am also rocking the Go North Off-Road roof rack, Go North Off-Road lower control arm skid plates, and the Go North Off-Road engine skid. Pretty much it. The weight of our rock sliders, if you're looking for GX ones, these are about 120 pounds for the set, which is pretty good. DOM, 100% bolt-on with the hardware that we include with the order. You do get hardware with the order. The rear tube bumper, it's about 45 to 50 pounds with hardware, also 100% bolt-on. You do replace the factory hitch though. This hitch is not tow rated. We do recommend you use it as, not recommend, but it's there for off-road use if you want to use it as a recovery point. The tire carrier can hold up to a 37-inch tire. We haven't tested it out with a 40-inch, but a 37, it's pretty good. I'm pretty positive it will hold the weight of a 40, but I mean, typically with these rigs, you're not really putting no 40s on them to begin with. So I hope you like this video. Here's the shop right here in Rancho Cucamonga. You can stop by or call us if you have any questions. You can definitely check out our website to check out all our products at restlessoffroad.com. You can also check us out on Instagram at Restless Off-Road, YouTube, and Facebook. Same tag, at Restless Off-Road. Well, thank you for coming to the channel. We appreciate you. Till the next one.